How to delete projects on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete projects on Yelp, and here is how to go about it. The first thing to do is to sign in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. So on this page, you would see several things on this page, all right. And then the next thing to do is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see Yep for Business, write a review, messages, project notifications, and then your profile icon. And then once you can see this, just go ahead and click on your project since you're trying to delete projects, all right. So after clicking on the project tab, you'll be taken to the project page where you'll see all of your projects, the archived ones, the active ones, and the ones that are pending. All right. So once that's loaded, you'll be able to see all of your projects here. And these are the project ideas. You can see them being displayed here. And then next to it, you can see archive as well as active. So our focus is on the active project. Now you can see that for me, I don't have any projects ongoing, but for you, you will see all of your projects here. So once you can see all of your projects here, the next thing for you to do is to select the project that you'd like to delete. After selecting the project, you see two options: archive or dismiss. All right, depending on the one that is available, you might see dismiss and then you would see archive, and you might see archive, but you see dismiss. Whichever one, select it. Once you've done that, that particular project will be removed automatically from your project list. All right, it is that simple. Okay, this is how you can delete projects or your Yelp account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.